another breaking update coming in. As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, just 4 days ahead of the crucial elections there in the state of Kerala, a bitter war of words has started. Rahul Gandhi has slammed Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. He has launched a scathing attack on him. Not only did he call him India's most corrupt Chief Minister, he further said that Himanta Biswa Sarma only spreads hatred in the country.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कभी ना कभी ये कांग्रेस पार्टी के बब्बर शेरों के हाथ में आएगा और फिर देखना ये जो इधर उधर जंप मारता है ये सब बंद हो जाएगा, हाथ जोड़ेगा, असम की जनता से माफी मांगेगा, कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं से माफी मांगेगा। मगर मैं आज ही बता रहा हूं, माफी का कोई मतलब नहीं है, कार्रवाई इस पे होगी, कानूनी कार्रवाई इस पे होगी। इसको जितना भी जंप लगाना है लगा दे, जितनी भी हरकत अभी करनी है कर ले, मगर इसको हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं। हमारी बात नहीं है, असम की जनता इसको नहीं छोड़ने वाली है।
Let me go across to my colleague Kritika, who's been tracking all the details. Kritika, a scathing attack that has been launched by Rahul Gandhi and Himanta Biswa Sarma there in Assam ahead of the crucial elections. They're saying that if and when Congress party comes to power, he will jail Himanta Biswa Sarma. Take us through the details.
Well, yes, Akansha, not only this, Rahul Gandhi has also today in the rally stated that Himanta Biswa Sarma will be left in a condition wherein he'd have to fold his hands and plead in front of the legal enforcement agencies once Congress comes to power in Assam. He's also called the Assam Chief Minister the most corrupted Chief Minister of the country. Remember earlier as well he had made these allegations in retaliation to which Himanta Biswa Sarma had called Rahul Gandhi Pappu and Gaurav Gogoi, Junior Pappu as well. So there was in fact a lot of political rhetoric that was being carried out by both of these parties earlier too. Now we are seeing Rahul Gandhi clearly stating that legal action will be taking. Any type of jumping of ships will also not be able to spare Himanta Biswa Sarma. He's saying that this action is not only against corruption but also is a reflection of in fact the desires of the people of Assam. Is the big allegation is what Rahul Gandhi is making. Well, in fact today as well we're seeing that other Congress leaders are also now going all guns blaring against Himanta Biswa Sarma and even his wife Riniki Sarma. They've alleged that Riniki has in fact 3 foreign passports as well. So of course we're seeing the Congress ahead of the elections trying to rake up these issues as well as far as corruption allegations against the Assam Chief Minister is concerned.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Kritika, for getting us all those details. A big attack by Rahul Gandhi on Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. He called him India's most corrupt Chief Minister, further going on to say that Himanta Biswa Sarma only spreads hatred across the country. Have a look.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कभी ना कभी ये कांग्रेस पार्टी के बब्बर शेरों के हाथ में आएगा और फिर देखना ये जो इधर उधर जंप मारता है ये सब बंद हो जाएगा, हाथ जोड़ेगा, असम की जनता से माफी मांगेगा, कांग्रेस पार्टी के नेताओं से माफी मांगेगा। मगर मैं आज ही बता रहा हूं, माफी का कोई मतलब नहीं है, कार्रवाई इस पे होगी, कानूनी कार्रवाई इस पे होगी। इसको जितना भी जंप लगाना है लगा दे, जितनी भी हरकत अभी करनी है कर ले, मगर इसको हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं। हमारी बात नहीं है, असम की जनता इसको नहीं छोड़ने वाली।
So ahead of the elections in Assam as well as Kerala, the political battle is heating up. We'll continue to get you more details on the elections. With this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.